You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing Czech names, make sure to stay tuned. We're going to be learning how to pronounce it in Czech, because he was the former president of the Czech Republic. He was the president. Vaclav Havel. That's how it's said in Czech. Vaclav Havel. And now in English he's often referred to as Vaclav Havel, or some pronounce it like this in English, Vaclav Havel. Vaclav Havel is a bit closer to Czech. Vaclav Havel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.